What's up guys, I'm Vinny B from 57 Design and welcome to part 1! Part 1, this is part 1. Oh, finally! Part 1 now. Alright, I'm super happy to have you here because, as I told you, this is part 1 of my project Hayabusa! Oh man, Hayabusa Smart project. Yeah, this is my 2008 Smart that I bought for this project. It had a blown engine, sort of. Everything else on it is working fine. And I also bought a 2005 Hayabusa engine to put in it, so I'm super happy. What am I gonna do with it? The plan, where's the plan? The plan. Oh yeah, the plan. Yeah, well, first of all, I'm gonna strip that car to the bare bones. I'm just gonna keep the shell. Second of all, Hayabusa engine in the back of the Smart. And then widen it, the track, widen it. It's gonna be larger. Je vais l'élargir. I speak French. Je vais l'élargir, you understand, right? Okay, it's gonna be wider. Probably a foot wider in the back and in the front. So that's that. I will redo the complete front suspension, also the rear. I'm gonna put some racing seats. Maybe I'm gonna build my own racing seats. I don't know, we will see. And then that's gonna be phase 1. We'll do some races. We're gonna have a lot of fun with it. I'm gonna do a couple of phases on this project. Phase 2 is gonna be a roll cage, just for safety measure if this thing runs okay. I don't know, maybe phase 3 is gonna be a turbo on it for more power, baby. More power, baby. More power, baby. I'm hoping to be done by this summer, and we're on January, so it's gonna be a tight schedule. This is a big project for me. I've got good tools, as you saw, my CNC, my 40-ton press. Also, I got a small lathe, and I've got a small milling. I will learn so much stuff, and this is a big part why I started this project. Hey! Compressor. Yay. Give me a second. I just started a small channel, and before the montage, one last thing, if you want to subscribe, it's gonna be right here. And join me on this journey. It's gonna be my pleasure to have you with me. So, thank you. So this thing has been sitting in my driveway for at least 1.5 years. And luckily I had some help from my son. Ah, dude. On va essayer ça. On va y aller deux.
Non, attends.
Oh. Let's see. Boys, what is this? Woohoo! So, what's next? What's next? Let's tear down that thing. It's montage time. Designers, mechanical designers, and mechanical engineers, guys, and I'm part of you, right? This is what I do for my living. Can someone tell me why they put a recess on that top plate of for the shock? Come on! On top, I was using an Allen key, and I was trying to get to the nut to make it turn. I had to use the punch to remove this bolt. That's so simple. A flat plate. That's all. Come on. On the good side of things, this side is almost done. And you're back. Oh, it is cold. So freaking cold. Feels like minus 25. There it is. A perfect white canvas for my project Smart-Hayabusa. So I'm super stoked. I can move forward. I can get the parts. I had some help from my good friend Luke and his son Sam. They helped me tearing down the interior of the Smart. So that thing is done. And you're gonna see more of those guys on the next video on part 2, because we went on a journey, on a quest. We went out to get some hubs and spindle from 2006 Volkswagen Jetta. It was something. Next video, part 2, it's gonna be on getting all the parts, spindle, hubs, car spring, chock, it's cold, bearings, disc brake, CV axle. I already got the engine. And then it's gonna be, I will take some more measurement and start the design. We should have a good design at the end of part 2. So alright, that's it for me guys. So hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you on the next one.